मडगावच्या SGPDA मार्केटाची परिस्थिती सामकी बिकट जाल्या। नुस्तेकारांकय मार्केटात बसपाक शिस्त ना। लोकांचे चलपाचे सुवातेरय नुस्तेकारां नुस्ते विकूंक बसतात म्हूण लोकांनी राग उक्तायला। आमदार आनी मडगाव नगरपालिकेन हो विशय सोडोवन नुस्ते मार्केटात जाल्ली घाण काडची अशी मागणी लोकांनी मिडियाकडेन उलयतना केल्या। आर्डेक्स खातीर मडगावच्यान मंदार नायक।
I think last month we have deployed our market inspector along with workers from 6 a.m. till 6 a.m. to this 8. The moment they are there, they are not sitting. One thing is there. Up to 8, 9 o'clock they were there. Even traffic police also we called them here and we directed them, and they was also there. Now they require constant patrolling over there. So we will actually that day we took meeting with our member secretary as well as this engineer of that Suda, G Suda. No, this is our SGPDA. They came, they told yes, we will do our contractor to tell that nobody should go outside. We made them clear that your people only coming and sitting outside, as you are allowing vendors also with selling purpose in that your fish market. So that what we have also conveyed that. Now again we have to make dive if such thing is there. We have to make dive, and I will see that if they are asking our help, this our SGPDA, we will give 4 workers permanently to deploy there. But what happened? The moment my workers are coming out, they are again sitting because they are from inside to outside. This Minas should be called when they will not allow this retail sale in that SGPDA market. Let them make the already market is there, retail market. Let them go there.
पण तुम डिप्लॉय करतले आता स्टाफ.
Yeah, if it is there, I will definitely.
कोणी या तुमगे सगळे नुस्तेकार
हे सांगले ऐक नाही रे बाबा तेमका जीव काबार कोता मुगे पुत मुजो जीव काबार कोता पुत पार सांगता
होय दुरीत बांधला गेट गायल्या गेटी भितर आहा ते काय ना इम्प्रूवमेंट ती उदक बोलले आहा सगळे कचरो आहा घटी आहा पांय घालपा जायना तशें
हे आता हिंग भितो जागा आसतना हे सगळे नुस्तेकार आता नुस्त्या घेवन आख्ख्या रोडार बसलो आहाय आनी आख्खो रोड ब्लॉक हो आता हिंग इतको जागा आहा तेंच्या हिंगेन बसल्या हिंग लोक येना लोक येता पूण हे नुस्तेकार रोवन थिंग बसून हे लोकांक मारपा त्रास कोताय कोण हे नुस्तेकारूच हे आता हिंग इतले ओद लोक भितो आहा पूण हो आमगे गोंयकार चड आहा आनी तो तुज्या गेल्या भायर आहा कित्याक आमगे गोंयकारां म्हणटा चिंतप ना मागीर म्हणटा कितें ही बायल वयली आहाय ती गांठी आहाय ती भायर वचून बसताय म्हणटा कित्याक हो आमगे लोक पयलीं तांकां शिकयता भायर वचून बसो हिंगांनी SPDA मार्केटा वचून चोय चोल तांकां सोंप दिलो आहाय ते पूण सोंप्यार कोण बसनाय लोकांची पॅसेज आहा ती यूज करता हांव म्हणटा ऑथॉरिटी कितें चोयता SPDA आनी हे कितें चोयता हिंगा म्हणजे लोकांक कोणाक केरूं ना जो कितें सिस्टम चलता आनी स्वच्छ भारत अभियान म्हूण चलता कितें स्वच्छ भारत अभियान